Welcome to Business Training Media's channel. In today's video, we're diving into mastering medical billing and coding, essentials for success. If you're considering a career in medical billing and coding or looking to enhance your existing skills, this video is for you. Make sure to stick around until the end, where we'll share the top online courses to kickstart your journey and supercharge your career growth. What is medical billing and coding? Medical billing and coding are essential processes in the healthcare industry that ensure healthcare providers are properly reimbursed for their services. Medical billing involves submitting claims to insurance companies and following up to make sure providers get paid. On the other hand, medical coding is all about translating medical diagnoses, procedures, and equipment into standardized codes used for billing. Think of it as the language behind healthcare finances, connecting healthcare providers, insurance companies, and patients. Why medical billing and coding is important. Accurate billing and coding ensure that healthcare providers get paid fairly and on time while minimizing errors. Without skilled professionals in this role, there would be confusion, delays, and even financial losses for both providers and patients. Plus, it plays a key role in maintaining compliance with legal and insurance regulations. Skills you need to succeed. So what are the essential skills you need to succeed in medical billing and coding? Attention to detail. Accuracy is everything when it comes to coding diagnoses and procedures. Strong organizational skills. You'll often manage multiple patient records, billing forms, and insurance claims. Technical proficiency. Familiarity with coding software, electronic health records or EHR systems, and medical terminology is critical. Communication skills. You'll need to communicate effectively with healthcare providers, patients, and insurance companies. Certifications and training. To excel in this field, certifications can make all the difference. Here are two of the most recognized ones. Number 1. Certified Professional Coder, CPC, offered by the AAPC. This is one of the most respected certifications in medical coding. Number 2. Certified Billing and Coding Specialist, CBCS. This certification is ideal for those focusing on billing and coding together. Other popular certifications include the CCS and CCA from AHIMA. Most programs prepare you to pass these certification exams and get hands-on training in the process. Career opportunities and growth. The job market for medical billing and coding is booming. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the field is expected to grow by 13% through 2032, much faster than the average for other careers. Entry-level roles like medical coder or billing specialist can lead to advanced opportunities such as healthcare compliance officer, coding auditor, or even management positions in healthcare finance. Top online courses to get started. Now that you know the essentials, where do you begin? We've curated a list of the best online courses to help you start or grow your medical billing and coding career. These courses cover everything from medical terminology and anatomy to ICD-10 and CPT coding systems. Whether you're a beginner or looking to get certified, these resources are perfect for building your expertise. To support your career growth, we've added links in the description below to these top-rated online courses for medical billing and coding. Thank you for joining us for today's video on mastering medical billing and coding, essentials for success. We hope this has given you the insights you need to begin or advance in this exciting field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more career-boosting content.